What's up guys, and welcome to the 39th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial it's all about function pointers. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is type in void file func, and then you need some brackets, parentheses, curly braces, std cout less than, and say file function. You'll see why I'm doing that in a minute. So file function, put that on a new line, close that off, and then go into the main program, int main, parentheses, curly braces, void bracket, parentheses, star, funcp, so func p, close that off, and then more parentheses, go to the next line, copy this, paste it here, equals, copy this, paste it there, put a space there, close that off, go to the next line, copy this again, copy the whole thing, and paste it on the next line, and close that off. So we have a program that demonstrates the use of function pointers. This just prints it all out. We go into the main program where it says void the first line. So if I just say number 1, number 2, number 3. So at number 1, a pointer to a function. At number 2, we are able to put address in pointer. At number 3, we can call the function. So if you run this, hopefully file function should just print out, because it goes from 1, 2 to 3, then it goes right back up. So print this out, build succeeded. There we have file function. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.